Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the Constitution of India, which is in the 6th standard social science, term 2, lesson 2 in civics part. Okay, in the last videos we have discussed about formation of Indian Constitution and fundamental rights. Then in this fundamental rights we have discussed only first 3 points. Now we are going to discuss about another 3 points and what are the fundamental duties of Indian citizen. This is only we are going to discuss. So let us move to the topics one by one. Okay, this is the fundamental rights of Indian citizens. Okay, let us move to one by one. First one is right to equality. Right to equality. That is nothing but they are right to equality, right to freedom. That means every Indian citizen has a right to do everything. So, man and woman or rich and poor, everybody are equal before the law. Okay, so that is the one, right to equality. Then the next one, right to freedom. Right to freedom. We can follow any other religion, any other culture, any other different types of the attitude. Everything we can follow. So right to freedom. And right against exploitation. Up to these topics only we have discussed in the last videos. Exploitation is called one type of cheating. Okay. Then next one is fourth, right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion. In India we have lot of the different kinds of the religions and cultural activities is there. So whatever the religion and whatever the peoples, they can change their religion. So the fundamental right, fourth one, right to freedom of religion. This is very important for our India. Then the fifth one, cultural and educational rights. Cultural and educational rights. Then at last sixth one, right to constitution remedies. Constitution, law and order. Remedies, சீர்திருத்தங்கள், must change something is there. So constitution remedies are very important for our country. Day by day we can change lot of the different types of the laws. Why? Because of nowadays we are watching lot of the tragedies. So far that we can give some remedies for this type of the law and order. So that only right to constitution remedies is very important for our Indian Constitution. So once again I am going to repeat these 6 star. Right to equality and right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, and cultural and educational rights. Yes, this I have left. Cultural and education. each and every peoples, they need to get compulsory education in up to the age of 14. Compulsory we can get the education. So this, for example, SSA, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, this is also a very important example for this law, cultural and educational rights. Then at last, right to constitution remedy. So these are the fundamental rights of citizen of India. So now we are going to see the next topic is the duties, fundamental duties. And we have the another important word, that is directive principles. Directive principles. They are certain guidelines to be followed while the governments frame law. Though these are not mandatory, they should be taken into account. An universal adult Francis. Every Indian citizen has the right to vote when they attain 18 years of the age. When they attain the 18 years of age, irrespective of any caste, religion, gender or economic status. As well as every citizen will have duties too. Yes, there are the duties respecting the national flag. National flag. And national anthem. National anthem. Then respect and protect the constitution. Respect and protect the constitution. And follow our great leaders who fought for our freedom. Who fought for our freedom. To protect our country. Read lines. Readiness to serve our country if necessary. Treating everyone as brothers irrespective of their caste, religion, languages, races, etc. To conserve our ancient heritage and conserve natural elements like forest, rivers and lake and fauna. To develop science, humanity and feelings of reformation to avoid non-violence and protect government property, parents or guardians, providing educational opportunities to children between 6 to 14 years, etc. have been added as our duties. Mr. Arumugam concluded his discussion. Do you know, children, the original copies of the Constitution of India, Hindi and English, are preserved in special helium-filled gases in the Library of Parliament of India. Do you know, children, the original copies of the Constitution of India are preserved in special helium-filled cases in the Library of the Parliament of India. This is very important. information.